Nakiniyak ko siya.
No? Ganda ng boss niya siya, no?
Mamaya naman. Kami na niya.
Sumalik sa kanya. So, I
can reach the heavens above. I can fight what is wrong. I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly.
Ready, Rich. I love you.
Over the sky, I can be your good friend.
Happy birthday, Resh! I love you! Birthday! Ayaw may birthday na kumakanta.
Parang yan. Chorus na ako.
I can live, I can die. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Agay! Okay, blow the candle, make a wish!
Wait, dami ko bilis!
Make a wish!
Happy birthday, Ren! Kawan!
Birthday!
Rainbow in the sky, I can be your good friend. Happy birthday, Ren! I wish all the best and oh, sila dalawa. Oh, go!
Okay, I wish for Rich more birthdays to come and also always good health and healthy. And of course, I want to greet him once again. Happy birthday. Welcome to you, 28 years old. Okay? For me,
Next question called?
for me, I have a gift here. A very simple cake. Actually, it's not a cake. It's a Pajibar cake with lips.
It's a play cake.
It's a plain cake, but it's very simple, but very simple matter, but very touching moment. Very touching moment at the same time.
What you call that?
At the same time, it's very memory with you. It's a nice memory with us because it's very simple thing, but it's a very simple matter. That's all. Thank you.
Happy birthday once again, it's Reg!
Happy birthday!
And also,
wait lang.
how about Iya?
Si Iya. Gusto ko si Iya.
Ano yan? Tanong talaga celebrity. Wish all the best of life, career growth, and love life. Kasi, di ba?
Happy, pero huwag na rin. English, ewan nyo yan. I didn't understand Tagalog.
Hindi ako nagigyan ng English eh. Basta, happy birthday, Reg. Wish you all the best in life.
Oh, what
What
did you say? What
Marvin,
did you
Marvin
say?
later on.
Happy birthday, Ate Reg! So, good luck with your future and then, magsama pa tayo ng matagal. Ano po yan? Push.
Eh, gusto ko si Ate Victoria.
Ate Victoria.
Ate Victoria.
Best friend.
Happy birthday, Ray. Ilan taon na tayo naman kasama. Nandito pa rin ako palagi kahit sinong lalaki ang bugbugin mo. Tatawagin mo na madaling araw. Nandito pa rin kami ni Dan para sa'yo. I love you.
How about Dan?
Me?
Naku, gusto ko English!
Ilop.
Go.
Don't forget to say hello pa.
Push forward with your passion, always. Tsaka,
Push your passion always.
Sorry.
Gusto ko English!
Dapat ilop ka na. Ilop ka na. More na one ilop.
Parating masaya.
Basta may word kami,
Masaya.
Ano ba parang...
Hindi.
Walang ilop. Walang ilop.
Hindi kasi nga, masarap kasama sila dyan.
Yun!
Yun yun.
Wala na.
Oh, last but not least, Rachel.
Wala yung ilaw. Ayan, happy birthday, Red. Wish you all the best. Career, love life, love. Basta maging masaya ka, magiging okay kami. Ayun lang. Stay your feet on the ground. Wala naman.
Happy na!
Happy birthday.
Birthday pa!
Happy birthday na sabihin.
Oh, what will you say with us?
Happy birthday!
Ano to dumamigay ito?
Bilis na!
Go, what will you say with us?
Yan mo lang yan.
Oh. Bet mo na.
Senta ka na.
Ako naman sa sita ba? What will you say with us?
Okay.
Ah!
Anything else, I would like to thank you for the word of Jesus for choosing me one of the top 5 minutes.
Tagal?
Shit, naiyak ako.
I would like to add to all, thanks to all my friends, my family, relatives,
Juror.
the mentor. I would like to thank you for the mentor.
The juror
which is
sa
how
follower.
to say thank you.
Ah!
And because I would like to
Gusto ba nang kumain ako
say
nito?
sorry and thank you for being a such good, even though we have misunderstanding.
Aww.
Kasi I want
Naiyak
to
na siya.
learn because he want to change his attitude.
Ala!
Do you
From
like
now
this one?
on?
Oo, from now on.
Happy
Birthday!